Hello YouTube. In this video, I'll be doing the very popular steam method on my high porosity hair for the first time. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Hello YouTube, my name is Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. Today, y'all, we're gonna be trying something a little bit different. So I have been seeing this natural hair steaming all over YouTube, y'all, like everywhere. And I really been wanting to try, but I did not see nobody with high porosity hair doing it. You know, I was kind of thinking like, do this even work on high porosity hair? Will it damage high porosity hair? So I'm willing to take one for the team for y'all. So today I am going to be doing the steaming process while I deep condition on this high porosity hair. And we just gonna see, you know, how it works. Is it gonna be better? It doesn't make a difference. We're just gonna see. So if you're interested in seeing how the steaming process works on high porosity hair, then just keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's get into it. So what you would need for this is the steamer, and this is just like a regular face steamer off of Amazon. This video ain't sponsored. This is actually something that I do for my face routine, and it feels luxurious. We're gonna be using this for my hair, and then you also need like either some distilled water or bottled water to put in your steamer, because the tap water can actually deposit minerals into your steamer and it can damage your steamer. So you always wanna use like filtered, distilled, or like bottled water when you're doing your steamer. So first, y'all can see how my hair looking right now. It's actually been in a slick back for like the last couple of days. So I'm gonna go wash my hair, and then we're gonna start with this and see how it works. So to start off, we're gonna have freshly washed hair. I didn't detangle my hair in the shower because I wanted to detangle it while we were steaming. So this is the steamer. So with this particular steamer, the water goes in the back, and it's a very small container. So the treatment lasts about 10 minutes with this amount of water, but you put the container back in the back, and that's how your steaming process starts. So it takes some time for the steam to actually come out of the steamer. So while that is preparing, I'll go ahead and part my hair down the middle and prepare for the detangling process. So now that my hair is parted down the middle, I will take this side and get it out the way. As you can see, the steam has already started. So what I'm gonna do is part this in some more smaller sections. As you can see, it's very tangled. After I get all of the excess hair out the way, I'm then gonna put this section of hair near the steam. And the steam is supposed to open up the hair cuticles. One thing about having high porosity hair is that the cuticles are already open on our hair strands. So finding a perfect balance of being able to retain moisture inside the hair strands is key. So the deep conditioner I'm using is called the olive oil deep conditioner. I love this because it is very thick and it just makes my hair feel very soft. As you can see, once I put this product on, it's on top of my hair at first, but as the steam and everything gets on my hair, you can actually see my hair becoming a little more manageable, and you can see the product being absorbed into my hair strands, which is exactly what we wanted it to do. One thing about having high porosity hair is that since the strands are porous, it is more susceptible to damage. So if you're gonna do steaming, I would recommend that your steamer not get extremely hot, because any extreme heat temperature could cause heat damage to your hair, and we do not want that, because the purpose of us doing all this is to make sure our hair stays healthy. So after I got all the product in my hair and my hair detangled, I then twisted it up so I can work on the other sections of my hair. So now that I'm done with the first section, I am going to repeat that process throughout the rest of my hair and tell y'all more benefits of doing the steam treatments on your hair. So we all know that steam allows for deeper penetration of your deep conditioner, but it also hydrates your hair. Other benefits would be that it increases blood flow to the scalp. So some people say that it can promote hair growth, and it also can help reduce tangles and breakage because your hair is thoroughly moisturized. Some things you want to be careful about with steaming is doing it too much, because I have heard that steaming can cause like hydro fatigue or moisture overload, which will make your hair really limp. And also we did talk about the temperature. So you just want to make sure that when you are steaming that your temperature is not too hot, because it can cause heat damage. I will say that doing this felt very luxurious. It felt really like a spa treatment. I was really tempted to pull out my face mask and just have like a whole little moment while doing this. I mean, it's very tranquil, relaxing. So I do think that if you are going to use a steamer, just go ahead and have you some soft music playing, have your face mask on, and just have you a nice little self-care day. But once I got done with doing all of my sections, I did use the rest of the steam on my hair just because it had additional water left over and I didn't want to waste it. So I just used the steam all over my hair, hoping it would help the deep conditioner penetrate a little more. Then after that, I just put it on my face because like I told y'all, it did feel like a spa treatment. So after all the steam was gone, I did do a cool water rinse on my hair to get all of the deep conditioner out and to also close my cuticles. All right, y'all, so I am officially done washing out the deep conditioner. I've already put in everything that I normally do for like my wash and go routine. So all I have left to do is diffuse my hair. But I want to go ahead and tell y'all how I feel about doing the steamer. To be quite honest with you, I really like the treatment. I feel like it just gave my hair routine a very luxurious feel. It felt more like a spa treatment actually. But so far as functionality, I really didn't see a big difference with it. I mean, yes, it did make my hair softer and it did allow the product to be absorbed more into my hair strands, but I feel like I could have got the same kind of result with doing my deep conditioning routine in the shower. So what I really say is that if you don't have a steamer and if your hair is high porosity, if you would like, you can just really do your routine in the shower while the steam from the water is going onto your hair. That can help the product penetrate your strands a little more. But if you're like a person that washes your hair in the sink or in the tub or whatever, basically if you like lean over into the sink or something and you want that steam type of treatment, then I do think a face steamer would help your hair routine. But my hair does feel very moisturized. But like I said, with this, I just think that with my hair being high porosity and me normally doing my deep conditioning routine in the shower, I didn't really see much of a difference with doing it in the shower and doing it this way. But if y'all want to see like my regular wash day routine with all the products and everything that I use, I will link that up above and down below in the description box. I really just wanted to make this video because I feel like a lot of times in the natural hair community, high porosity hair is underrepresented. So I really wanted to like make this video for the high porosity girls out there. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I will be linking below the videos that did inspire me to do this. They have a lot of information on their videos about the benefits of steaming and all of that. But if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something. And I'll see y'all in my next video.